Abena, Abena, Brony, ma, Abena, 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 Brony, ma, Abena, 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 Brony, ma, Abena, 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 Brony, ma, Abena. Papa Kumasi go abroad, or see a hole, you want to me a war. Ni wa madane kwa, wata no fe, wape waduro bina wawa. Abena wakona, he gave him a big tactical format. Asem nabe, somebody wife asem nabe. I feel why I wanted,
Why do you have to do that? Why? Abena, you know you have a boyfriend who is chasing me here. Why didn't you tell me you have a boyfriend? Come on.
No, it's not like I have a boyfriend. We are not together anymore.
So then why is he trying to let somebody beat me, somebody kill me? Every day I walk, I see the guy, he see me, then I run. Why?
Even me, I was there fighting with him, but he don't stop it.
I don't know.
I'm sorry, really.
This is too much. This is too much. Mama, this is too much. This is not the first time, this is not the second time.
Yeah, I know.
So
I
then,
was there fighting with him, told him to stop it. You understand? I was also really, I don't even know what to say or what to do. I'm even speechless.
So what do? Then I have to, I don't know, if I have to live here for you, because I don't want to, I don't want anybody to come and kill me. I can't, mean to me time you come here. Oh boy, now one me figure na baba be jina kaya me say woni na what corner say they will come to see na me. If he kills me now, what am I going to do?
But that's not what I want.
So then why is he doing this to me? Anytime
I don't know that we have to call the police or something. I told him too, when he don't stop at me, I will give him a problem.
My brother, to give him that problem, then he mean killing me. Every day somebody want to beat me. Why? Today I ran, giddy. I ran, the guy chasing me. Why?
No, it's
tell
not.
your boyfriend to stop, please.
It's not my boyfriend. He is my ex.
So then why is your ex doing that to me? Why is your ex doing that to me?
Because he's jealous, maybe because of now I'm trying to know you better, and I don't know, I can't tell you. I think it's jealousy.
So then tell him it's over between you and him, so he leave me out.
Yes, I have told him. I was there with my friend. She also was fighting with him. You know, I don't like it too. Really, even me is really hurting me and making me confused.
So what do I do? Is it gonna
we have to
continue
go,
like this?
No, we have to go to police.
You have to go and tell police me. I can't.
Why you have to go with me together? Because they have to see that really something happened. Not later they think I'm lying. Because if maybe he go there, he tell them a different story. So we will go there together.
Mama, if Kai is not taking me, I don't know what to do again because I'm confused. I am really confused.
I don't want you to be confused.
Mama, I have to because I don't know. I'm not okay. Anytime I step out, you're not with me, and then people will be chasing me. Not here alone. Anywhere I go.
I know. I really know, and I know it is not good. But I'm there. Like I'm really trying my best to make the problem down and to talk to everybody and.
Is the food ready?
Yeah, the food is ready. Yes.
And then fufu.
Yes.
Just go inside and give me something. Maybe I better be do about one my only about Obi Ababe Kumikwa. Oh, Fana Bear, Tata, Bafano Big Bobo, no smash, no would what's so dreadful, so as a woodjane, near Babo, are they? And yes, I made a family, you know.
Abena, Brony, ma, Abena,
Hey, look, that is the guy.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that is the guy. This is the guy. Yeah, my brother, that is the guy.
What is he doing here?
I don't know. He's been chasing me wherever I go. I told you, you say no. That is him. That is the guy.
Are you sure?
My brother, I'm sure. He's the guy who has been...
I've never seen him before.
Yeah.
But why is my area here?
You live here, I live here.
Yeah.
So your ex-boyfriend, I don't know, has told him to come and follow me wherever I go. You see, he's calling. You see, he's making call. You see, he's calling them. You let's go. I don't know. I'm not comfortable. I'm not comfortable. I don't want to die here in Germany.
Yeah, I understand you.
Yeah, but why are they doing this to me now?
I understand you.
Oh.
So what can we do?
I don't know. You always say you're gonna call police. You say you call police. You talk to police. Mabna, me tell me who will be my soul. Mabna, I can't die here. You have to do something. You won't talk.
Yeah, I don't even know what to say because why is he running here?
Why is he running here? Maybe he's after us. Huh?
Kumasi go abroad. Or see a home you want to me. You want my daddy go. What I don't
I'm still trying, you know. I'm still trying, but every time I chase this guy, he's working with Mabna, you know. And when Mabna is there, I cannot do it. That's the problem, bro. You know, but you just give me the time. I will done it for you, you know.
Ja, du musst ein bisschen mehr, Alter. Ich will die zurückhaben. So.
Yeah, I will do it, you know. I know you need Mabna back, you know. Yes. So I will try my best. But the problem is every time I chase this guy, even yesterday evening, I was chasing him, you know. But I don't get him. But I will try my best today, you know.
Yes,
so
ja.
Don't
Musst langsam mal machen, ne?
Yeah, you know, don't worry about it, bro.
Willst du noch mal Geld haben?
Yeah, you have to trust me. So you can give me small and then, you know, just increase the money for me, you know.
Machen wir noch mal so.
Don't worry, okay.
Okay.
No problem.
Ja, Mann. Auf jeden Fall
machen
wir das.
Ja.
Und du musst mal ein bisschen Gas machen. Ne?
Ja,
du musst ein bisschen.
Ich werde Einsatz zeigen.
Du musst ein bisschen Gas machen.
Don't worry.
Beat him.
I will do it. You know, I will finish this guy just seconds for you. But the problem is every time this guy is working with someone, you know. Last time I was chasing him alone, but he was run, you know. I cannot get him. So after that, she's always working with Mabna, you know. So, but you don't worry.
Yeah, okay.
I will done it for you.
Okay.
You will get Mabna back. I'm here, you know.
Yes.
And you know me.
Ich will das sehen, Digga.
Don't worry, bro.
Yeah, nice.
Don't worry.
Of a million meow.
Ne ya wan kwabra. Kwabra e ya wan. Hwe bibi o. Se se hwe de wasa asua hwe life a wasa ba besua. Se se oni broni ba na tienti. Se se wakwa besua joto nom. Kwabra, I don't know this one my life asasa.
Of a million meow, some young better which I'm ignore be a mother dog will be an answer boy life for.
Kwabra,
me when I'm in buy a brony by the fine bag. I have butcher figure and then babu.
Kwabra, my mem can't show me my bet no chrome ha. Obi mine so 15 years ni we be crampo me nye bi da. Kwabra hwe bibi o, we ya kwala o afi na wo ba. So o tua ha life ni bia, wan hwe ya won kai fie, o mobra. Hwe bibi ye, ma be pewa, wonim se se kra no me kwafo shop bi, na me ti se ye ka se obi nkrofo bi tataw, pe wokum.
I know
so me baba be hwe wan kan. We ye Ghana ni, anya won sam de Ghana fo no ukoto mumu a omo beka obia de obia ye wa ha bia no ebi munim kwabra hwe bibie kwabra o ma me beti
ofa haya buchiro ofa haya buchiri a ko ka che ma me se so no tekura na so de na ko ka che
ono so nim se wote ha no a wo bobra
na me mobra na na fro adwuma mfu a
me ye sure se adwuma se me tamo ya so ene down me tamo ya so ko se me ye na me kwa adwuma kwabra me sirawo me wa faase ni mpon ne wo Sisia bibi to wa ha no mo a obi anim sese me a me wa ha no etide bia no se me hwehwe wo akira kwan me bo wa chi do
wife last time
be ba ha e be keka che me ba na me bufu yi pa ani di besi ani se wo obi di hie wo nya akoa wo mo na ya no mo fa ne se ye nkoa na de a ene oboa you betumi akọ back to Ghana se wo hwe na moa wa kwabra
ofa na me san kuma chi de me obi abrefo ba mate kura se sa
obi se de be ban se ne se me be fa e de wo kotena me nchen
ofa na be de broni ban be de menye
ne de men den
no fa ofa ne cha wa me fama nko ama fama ma bro chire ha wo
no man ko ye afi na nyame ya no ma atoto ye ama me afi na se no ma atoto ye me nyame me nkrata asese metimi aba back to Ghana. Oh, o ka se moti Ghana munim se abrochi life no easy easy wonam snow mu o yese bibia ye time and this Ghana you can't was 2 hours now the 4 hours no you be you wedi you to say so me no gina say me Ghana for now se bi o mo pema sem ni bi na afre me tam ya so se me kofa no ye kwa adwumam What you say? Be a time.
Of how they work come.
She be me dem no ma me be kasa. Say what be fa different life be a me kura no. Say me dwene ho am nti ase. Kwabena we akola afi na wo ba. Usa
of a tofo a dey from shop from Ghana for dem kasa. The ten say girl no S guy and whom one day be na say me number be na say boy be tata me S guy be I don't know. Me
Kwabena me catch no ma wani na ho. Me catch no ma wani na ho. Me de me pe wasem. Se me wo fa se ni pon no ye me moja. Me ntimi kan so be ball life enti de ekosu nyina me nyi mani free wo so da bi. Wo se me hwehwe wo kira kwan na de ekosu nyina me chotena senam tuufo. So no wa ya na adwe se obeye wakoa de ani oboa. Oni oboa kwabna hwe ye. Hwe bibiye na o tu
of don odo me nya
akwa. Hwe ne kwase ane odofon be no se don odo. We your odofon. Obi meku obi de hye. Ha? O meku obi de hye nto hanuma na.
Ni time enche no fadwuma ba me o se me koye na me ko hit nkwan na me ye aduane si no.
Hwe. Kobra hwe bibiye o. Me ko me tamo ya so me ko fa Ghana ni ba ko na me na ko adwumem. Ono na efrefre me no. To se me ye na me ko. Hwe bibiye kwabna. Obi nka se puduo hye ye bijo. Wo ma metie krasi Ghana ono na dwene nyina da wo so ne ba krope no onim se bia o be bobla
ba krope do refi mi nua ba na
ana so nua ba de se ono no wato ne pa hwi woni na baabi wo so na aye be ma na de bia na ni wo so me srew kwabra me wo fa ase ne wo me srew pa ma wani na ho wo hwe na sa hamwo ne de wo be ye donko ama ya jojo wa be me ho no one room be menya baabi am wada na sebi wo nso wo de aye wo no ma me pa chopa kwabra
of our camati me medwene but girl no nso onye me boni yes ono no onye me boni o ba ne S guy no na onte ne ma se
enti jai omo de omo ye ya no etuo omo timi twitwi tuo rough obi kun a wakun ato atwene o ha obi kun a wakun ato atwene enti de bia na nkofo betata wo sa ha wo be stranded now ne nam obi man so sa kwabna
of me ho de me o de
Clement me kasa bu kire wo tie mi o tie me paaye
me se wa camati
me de kakra me metimi aka kire ono no me ko adwumam tu de bibia ni a frɛ me ana se me frɛ wo what de me ka no okay na me ka
thank you
okay
I don't know if I've done something wrong to come and face it here. I don't know. I don't know. He has come to me twice, and then whenever I'm walking, I'll be seeing certain guy chasing me. Yeah. I don't know. Some black guy. He always wear mask, and then he wear cap, and then he will be whatever you're doing, he'll be chasing you.
Chasing you for it. Have you told Mabna?
Mabna knows what I'm talking about. She already know what I'm talking about.
Oh, this is serious. Is it not? Is Maxi, yeah?
Yeah.
Doing all this?
Yes.
I think I have to talk to Mabna again, then go to Maxi's house because it can't be. So all the time they have been chasing you all around.
Everywhere. When I say I'm going to buy something and the Mabna is not with me, I will go and then I'll see the guy.
Yeah.
I'll see the guy and then sometimes he want to come to me, but sometimes when I'm with certain people, when I'm working and then people are around, he can't just do it.
Oh, okay.
He'll be standing somewhere and then he'll be watching me, assuming he's on phone, but it's me that he's, gradually following my steps wherever I go.
Then maybe we have to call the police on him.
Yeah, I've told Mabna to tell the police. He said, I'm coming from the police. I'm just coming from the police. I'm just doing this. I don't know.
She hasn't told me about that.
You don't have?
No, I don't.
Because he says Maxi is doing this and then you have to talk to her. Because I know that is the S guy. Because I'm here for you because we talk and then I'm here. You want your boyfriend to come and kill me?
No. She loves you. That's why she.
So then why is the boyfriend doing this?
I don't know because Maxi is not normally it's not like this. But maybe he saw you with her, that's why he's doing all.
No, if you saw me with her, and then the problem here is if they are not no more together, why is the guy jealous?
Yeah, sometimes the white people they are like that.
Excuse
when they
me.
want you and then they see that you are with someone else, they are always like that. You know?
So how many years, how many months, how many days will this continue? Would this be there? There's not some crazy. Dear Corona Bassa, Bibia Bassa, eh?
What are you saying?
I'm just.
Okay. But calm down. I'll talk to Mab now, okay? I'll talk to Mab and then later we'll go and see Maxi because I don't know. Well, maybe
this is too much, nah? This is too much.
But you are enjoying yourself at home.